Now, class, I understand it's a little uncomfortable to be taking your midterms outside, but just because some idiot pulled the fire alarm does not mean that it's not going to be today. You have 20 minutes. No talking! I'm a fire alarm. We're outside. Before we begin, can we have our cast introduce themselves?
I'm Kim.
I'm John. Jack.
Mabel. Rosa.
And Jerry. So what's going to happen is we're going to start off with a quick game called Half Life, so if our performers can step up. Woo! So what's going to happen is, based off of a suggestion from you guys, you're going to perform a 1-minute scene, and then basically they'll do it again and again, halving the amount of time they have to perform it. The first time will be 1 minute, and then 30 seconds, 15, and so on and so on. So before we begin, can we get a suggestion from the audience of an everyday mundane activity that you might do?
Stapling!
Banana factory!
Making pudding!
Banana factory!
Drugs!
Can we get someone from that section back there?
Masturbation!
That's not really awkward. Laundry. Well, we did the laundry already, so just making out.
Doing an improv scene.
You, right there. Give me something in a mundane activity. Yeah, anything.
Sweeping.
So, our main performers will have only 1 minute to perform a scene about sweeping. Whenever they're ready, let's take it away.
We gotta get really strong, Tammy. We have to win first place in this regional curling competition. Okay.
Not good enough. Not good enough.
What do you mean not good enough?
You're doing this. I want this! Right? Alright, I'm going to send out another one, okay? Better. You're lacking a bit.
Okay, you might be my coach, Philip, but you're not my dad. You can't treat me like this.
You know what, Jennifer? If you don't want to be on the team, then just leave. There's plenty of other sweepers I can buy. I'm sorry. I might have been a little harsh. Here.
Why don't you show me?
All right. You push, and
okay.
I'll speak.
Okay.
Right, ready?
So now let's perform the same scene again in only 30 seconds. Go.
Curling. We're not going to lose again. No, we're not. No, let's start here.
Not good enough. Not fast enough. You're this. I want this. All right. So you know what? I'm going to send out another one. Okay. Better. You still slow.
Abusive like my father.
Then leave.
I don't want to be on the team.
I'm sorry. Here, take it back. Okay.
Why don't you?
I'll show you. All right.
Now in 15 seconds. Go.
Not good enough.
How?
You're half slow. I want faster. Here, another one. No, you suck.
Abusive.
No, here, let me do it. Go.
1.5 seconds, go! And finally, in an epic 1.125 seconds, go!